In my this presentation, I want to share one very interesting fact with all of you that our ancient scriptures and our rishis, maharshis were scientists. Maharshi Agast was one of the Saptrishi and he was the elder brother of, you must have heard the name of Rishi Vasisht. Who was Vasisht? Vasisht was the Kulguru of King Dasrath. So Agast Rishi is one of the incredible Rishi. The basic formula for creating electricity is based on the ancient principle of Rishi Agast. Just one slok of his book called Agast Samhita composed by him covered the tremendous knowledge of subjects including a formula for making a battery. In this book, Agast has mentioned several theories and formulas for many technology related inventions. Surprisingly, similar theories are even followed by the advanced batteries we use today. This is the slok which has been taken from Agast Samhita. What I am sharing here, I have seen it in one of the exhibition techniques organized at BHU few years back. See, the meaning of this sloka is, if you place a well cleaned copper plate in an earthen pot or earthenware vessels, cover it first by copper sulfate and then by moist sawdust. After that, put a mercury amalgamated zinc sheet on top of the sawdust to avoid polarization. The contact will produce an energy known by the twin name of Mitra Varuna. Water will be split by this current into Pranvayu and Udanvayu. A chain of 100 jars is said to give a very effective force. And when this thing was shown by one of the student of BHU in that exhibition, and when the cell was prepared according to this formula which is given in the Agast Samhita and measured, it gives open circuit voltage as 1.138 volts and short circuit current as 23 milliampere.